Can I tell you a secret? Giving away 2 free social media posts can get you your first or next paying client faster than charging ever could. Sounds backwards, but giving away free stuff is exactly how I got my first clients. Because here's the trap that most people fall into. They spend weeks crafting the perfect cold email, talking about a better subject line, a better hook, better personalization, and then they either don't send it or they do send it and get ignored. And you're not getting ignored because the subject line was bad or because you needed better personalization. It's because every business owner in every city has already seen that exact same pitch 10 times this week. Hey, I help businesses get more customers. Delete. Now they're not doing this because they're rude. It's just because every business owner online gets 10 of these every single week, and they all sound identical. But there's something working way better right now. Stop trying to sell them something and give them something for free instead. 2 social media posts for free, to be exact. Years ago, when I was trying to land my first client, I remember reaching out to all kinds of different business owners over a period of about a month. Email after email, message after message, and getting absolutely nothing back, not even a polite rejection. Then one Friday afternoon, I decided to try something different. I stopped trying to sell them and started trying to give them as much value as I could before they ever paid me a dime. Back then, that meant something called lumpy mail, which was a full marketing audit of their business. It was burned to a DVD and then packaged up and then physically mailed to them. Sounds insane, I know, but about 10% of the businesses that I sent it to became paying clients, and most of them stayed for years. Today, though, there is a faster and easier and a more scalable version of that same idea, and it's what eventually helped me build 3 different 7-figure agencies and work with over 1,500 small businesses and run thousands of campaigns. And today, I do it all as a 1-person agency with 0 employees. So in this video, I'm gonna give you the 4-step system that I call the doorway method that can turn 2 free posts into a $500 a month client, without sending another cold email, without needing testimonials, and without quitting your day job to do it. So let's get into it, starting with some quick context before we hit step 1. Most people get cold emails wrong because they think the problem is that the email needs to be better. Better hook, better personalization, better call to action, but it's not the email. It's that the whole thing looks and feels and smells like a cold email. You're sending a message to someone who doesn't know you yet, and you're asking them to trust you with 15 minutes of their day. That's a big ask from a complete stranger. It works way better when you flip it. Instead of asking for their time, you give them something useful first, something that they can actually use with no strings attached. So now they're not deciding whether to trust a stranger. They're just deciding whether to reply and say thanks. Now, the great news here is that you don't need a fancy agency website or testimonials or even a single client to do this. You just need a free ChatGPT account and like 20 minutes. And in a second, I'll show you the exact subject line that gets attention. And yes, you're still sending an email, just a completely different kind of email than the one you're used to hearing about. Now, here's why this works specifically with social media content. Social media, yes, still today, is one of the biggest pain points that business owners have. They know they need it, they know it matters, but most of them have no idea how to do it themselves. And the person that they may have hired to do it disappeared months ago, which brings us perfectly to step 1, find the ghost. A ghost is a local business that's still alive but invisible online. They've got a Google profile, they've got followers, but they've gone quiet on social media for at least 6 months. In other words, it's the middle of summer, but their last post still says, Happy New Year. These businesses are by far the easiest ones to turn into your first or next client, and here's why. They already know that social media matters. They already had someone doing it. That person just disappeared or got too expensive or quit, and the owner has been meaning to fix it ever since. Now, you're just the person who finally showed up to do it for them. So, how do you find ghosts? You're gonna use Gemini, Google's free AI tool, plus 1 prompt I'm about to give you. The prompt is gonna be here on the screen and also linked in the description of this video so you can just copy and paste it. Here's what it sounds like. Act as a research assistant. I'm building a list of local businesses in your city that probably need help with social media, meaning they have a website and a Google profile, but their Facebook page hasn't been updated in at least 6 months. Find me 20 real businesses in these categories: plumbers, dentists, chiropractors, contractors, landscapers. For each one, give me business name, phone, website, a likely owner first name, and if you can find it, the approximate date of their last Facebook post and their follower count. If you can't verify the social media data, leave those fields blank rather than guessing. Format as a table with clickable links. You copy and paste that in, you change the city, you hit submit. A couple minutes later, you've got 20 leads. Now here's where most people get excited, they fire off cold emails to the entire list, and then they wonder why nothing worked. So at this point, you're not done yet, because you need to filter for ghosts specifically. So you take that list, you open Facebook, and you check each business for 2 things: at least 100 Facebook followers, and last post was 6+ months ago. Anyone who fits both of those is a ghost. Anyone who's already posting weekly on Facebook, skip them. Anyone with under 100 followers, skip them. The page is just too dead to even matter. What you're looking for is businesses that used to post regularly, but then stopped. These are by far the easiest ones to land as your first or next client. For example, just looking through this list here, I can see that Gover & Gover Dentistry haven't posted since January 26th. And not much further down the list, Johnson Chiropractic updated their bio, looks like they made a post for Labor Day, and then has a bunch of unavailable content, which makes the page look broken. Out of 20 leads, you'll usually find 4 to 6 ghosts. That's your list. Okay, let's keep going. Step 2, build the gift. This is the step where everyone overthinks it and somehow turns creating 2 simple posts into like a 6-month branding exercise. So we're gonna keep this simple. You are not building a campaign. You're not building a content strategy. All you're building is 2 Facebook or Instagram posts. That's it. 2 posts per business. We're not filming a documentary here. These posts can be published on Facebook, on Instagram, or both. Doesn't matter. The prompt that I'm about to give you generates posts in a 4:5 vertical format aspect ratio, which is what works best on both platforms. So 1 images and you've got 2 places to post it. And you're gonna do it entirely in ChatGPT, completely free. No agency tools required. So here's how you do it. Open ChatGPT and start a new chat, and then paste in this exact prompt. Here's how it goes. Create a professional Facebook feed post for business name, a business type in city, highlight specific detail/offer, target local customers, generate 1, a high quality, realistic image in a modern, clean, candid lifestyle style that would appeal to a broad audience. 2, a caption under 50 words in a warm, friendly, conversational, helpful tone. 3, include a subtle call to action, such as learn more, book now, visit today, or stop by. Make it feel authentic, on brand, and like a real local business post, not generic AI content. For this example, I'm gonna use the dentist that we just found at the top of the list, Gover & Gover. So I'll swap out the details, hit enter, and 30 seconds later, you've got a finished post. Repeat this once with a different angle, and now you've got 2 posts. Total time per business, about 5 minutes. And the great news here is that I can do this all day for any type of business. I mean, here's one for a chiropractor. Here's one for a landscaper. Here's one for a lawyer. Same prompt, different details, completely different industries, and ChatGPT just handles it. Now, a quick honest tip for you here. The first image that ChatGPT spits out might look slightly off. Colors might be weird, there might be the wrong layout, sometimes the building has too many doors. That's normal. Just say, regenerate that with a cleaner layout, and it'll fix it. By the second try, you're golden. It also may sometimes forget things, like in this case, it forgot to add the caption, but that's easily fixable just by saying, add a caption. And as you can see, it's all too happy to help, and just like that, you're done. You're not trying to win a marketing award. You're trying to get a reply from a dentist across town. Because the magic isn't the post. The magic is that you made it for them, for free, before they ever asked. Okay, let's keep going. Step 3, open the door. This is the email, and right up front, this is not a cold email. Cold emails ask for something. This one gives something with no pitch, no booking link, no, let me hop on a quick call, just a gift with no strings attached. That's the whole game. And if you mess this part up by adding any kind of request, the whole thing breaks, which is why I'm going to give you the exact email word for word. So here it is. And again, steal this word for word. Use the subject line, I made you something, and then the body goes like this. Hey, first name, I noticed your Facebook page hasn't been updated in a while, and I made you these 2 posts for business name. No catch, use them if you want. If you like them, I've got 12 more I can send over. Your name. That's it. The subject line is doing a lot of work here. I made you something already beats quick question by a wide margin. There's no click here to book a call, no I help businesses like yours. Nothing at all that sounds like a sales email. Just someone helpful giving them something that they needed. Now, the line that does the most work in the email is the last one. If you like them, I've got 12 more I can send over. That is the doorway. That sentence does more work than most follow-up sequences could ever dream of. It tells them that there's more value waiting for them if they reply, and it forces them to reply if they want the rest. And by doing it this way, you're going to get a much higher reply rate than any normal cold email. Let's say, for example, you'd normally send 100 cold emails to get a couple replies. Well, with this one, you're sending 10 of these, and you'll usually have a real conversation going with 2 or 3 businesses. Now, when they reply and say, yes, send them over, well, you send them the 12 more, which takes another 30 minutes in ChatGPT, and you generate 12 more posts using that exact same prompt. Now, when you send them these 12 more posts, here's what you say in the email. Here are 12 more. That's 2 weeks worth if you post daily. If you'd rather I just schedule and post all of these for you so you don't have to think about it, I can do that for $500 a month and you can cancel anytime. That is your offer. You didn't try to sell them anything, you just let the work do the talking, and then they asked for more. When they did, you gave them more, and then you mentioned, casually, that you can also just do the whole thing for them. That is a completely different conversation than a cold sales email. They already have 14 posts from you sitting in their inbox, the 2 that you sent at first, plus the 12 that you sent after they replied. You've already proven that you can do the work. All right, quick bonus tip here before we move on. This whole strategy works the same way on Instagram. Same prompt, same email, same offer. Just check their Instagram instead of their Facebook page. So if you find a business that's gone quiet on both, you've got even more to work with. Same set of posts, 2 platforms, double the visibility for them. It also works on LinkedIn, but only if you're going after lawyers, accountants, financial advisors, mortgage brokers, insurance agents, or any other professional service that actually live on LinkedIn. Plumbers and contractors don't, so don't waste your time there. My advice here, especially if you're first getting started, is to stick with Facebook because it's where the easiest ghosts live, but Instagram works too. And once you've got the system running, posting to both is just a click. Okay, step 4. Turn on the tap. Okay, so after you've made the offer to take care of all of this for them for $500 a month, and some of them are going to say yes, well, here's the next message that you want to send. Because the moment they say yes, they're going to ask you, okay, what do you need for me to get started? So here's exactly what to send back. Awesome. I'll send over a quick onboarding link in a few minutes. Takes about 5 minutes to fill out. Once it's in, I'll get your first month scheduled and live within 48 hours. I wrote this response to sound calm and professional, a little boring even, and that's exactly the point. Now here's where the system needs to actually run. Making 14 posts in ChatGPT for one business is fine, but once you have a paying client, you need to generate 30 posts a month. You need to schedule them across their platforms, you need to handle billing, and have somewhere to stack the next service. That's where I use HighLevel, which is the software I use to run my entire agency. It keeps onboarding and billing and scheduling and everything else all in one place. I've got an extended free trial set up, plus the exact onboarding form and posting workflow that I just walked you through, and it's linked up in the description below this video. Once they're onboarded, you go into HighLevel's social planner. You generate 30 posts using the same ChatGPT prompt, one for every day of the month. You upload them all and schedule all of them at once, and you do this in the calendar view. If you don't have HighLevel set up yet, you can do all of this manually with a free Buffer or Later account for posting and Stripe for billing. HighLevel just keeps all of it in one place instead of you having to log into 3 different tools. All in all, this is about 90 minutes of work, one time at the start of the month. Less time than most people spend trying to figure out which type of business to even target. And it pays you $500. Next month, you do it again, 90 minutes, another $500. 5 clients on this exact same setup is $2,500 a month for about 8 hours of total work per month. That's very realistic for somebody that's willing to actually execute, including people who think they're too busy right now. Let me be real with you here for a second. This $500 a month for daily posting, this is just the doorway. It's not the destination. And the math behind that door is very good. Because once a client is paying you $500 a month for posts, the conversations just get a lot easier. 3 months in, when their Facebook page has gone from a ghost town to looking active, you can have a follow-up conversation about adding more services. You can say, hey, your social's looking great. The next thing I'd recommend we fix is your Google reviews. You've got 17 and your top competitor is 240. I can set up a review system for another $300 a month that'll close that gap in 6 months. And now you're at $800 a month per client. A few months later, you say, your reviews are working, but here's the next problem. Half your phone calls during peak hours are going to voicemail. I can set up an AI receptionist for another $400 that picks up every call and books appointments directly into your calendar. Now you're at $1,200 a month per client from the same client, all because you're stacking services. A $500 social media client is rarely a $500 social media client forever. The good ones become $1,000 and then $1,500 and sometimes $2,000 a month and more over the course of a year. Because once you're in the business and they trust you, every additional service becomes a 30-second yes. I mean, they already trust you, so the conversation takes minutes instead of weeks. At 5 stacked clients averaging $1,200 a month, you're at $6,000 a month. At 10, you're at $12,000. That's just basic math, and it all started with 2 free Facebook posts. That's why the doorway method works so well. Okay, let's keep going because I need to give you 3 honest warnings before you go run with this. Warning number 1, don't send the same 2 posts to every business. The whole reason this works is that the posts feel personal. Generic content is going to kill your reply rate. Every set of posts has to mention that specific business by name and reference something specific about them, their style, their location, their service, their owner. 5 minutes in ChatGPT, that's all it takes. Warning number 2, don't try to sell them anything in the first email. I know it's tempting. You just spent 20 minutes making the post, and now you want to ask for at least something in return. A call, a meeting, even a reply telling you that they liked it? Well, resist that urge. The whole thing breaks the second that your gift starts sounding like an invoice. So send the gift, Wait, let them reply, then make the offer. Warning number 3, don't go after businesses that are already posting daily. If their Facebook page is already active, then it means that they already have someone doing it. So stick with the ghosts. The businesses that had momentum and then lost it, now they want it back. Those are your people. Okay, let's bring this all together. The whole reason this works so well is that this is the simplest possible foot in the door. You give a stranger something useful, they reply, you give them even more, and suddenly you've got a $500 a month client who trusts you. There's no cold pitch, there's no call, there's no selling. And once that client is in, every additional service that you offer becomes a 30-second yes. That's how you get to 5K, 10K, 30K a month from a small handful of clients, not by chasing more leads, but by stacking more value on the ones you already have. Now, when you're ready to actually run this, you're going to need a tool that handles the onboarding, the billing, the post scheduling, and the room to add all of those future services without rebuilding everything every time that you grow. That tool is High Level. It's the only software that I use to run my entire agency on. I've set you up with an extended 30-day free trial, plus the exact onboarding form, the social posting workflow, and my full Agency OS template pack that I built that gets you up and running in about 10 minutes flat. Everything's linked in the descriptions below, so click or tap that, start your free trial, and you'll have your first ghost conversion system live before you even go to bed tonight. Now, once you've got your first client and you're collecting that $500 a month, the next question you're going to ask is, what service should I add next to push them from $500 to $1,500 a month? Because that's where the real money lives. And that's why I put together a free training that breaks down the entire stacking model. Social, reviews, AI receptionist, follow-up, all of it, into one system that runs as a one-person agency. Walks you through exactly which services to stack in which order, what to charge, and how to make the upsell feel like a no-brainer to the client. Well, that video is linked up right here, so feel free to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.